All right, let's get straight to it. 2014 Chevy Cruze. This is the 1.4 liter engine. So let's start with disconnecting the negative battery terminal. And just like that. So let's go ahead and take this battery terminal off. Just use a 10 millimeter to loosen this up, and then you should be able to take off the negative terminal. And now we have to push this red tab back on this harness, and then you should be able to press down and pull this harness off of here. Just like that. Now we can remove this tube out of the way by loosening that hose clamp with a flathead or 8 millimeter. I'm just gonna go ahead and use a flathead, reach down in there, and I'll loosen that, and we can remove this from off of that throttle body. So once you got this piece here up, you can see down here, now this is the cable that comes in from the inside and hooks onto the transmission here. So this is your selector. When this here moves up and down, back and forth, this is going to change your parking gear, whether you're in park, reverse, drive. So I can literally just take this off and just move this from park to reverse and drive by hand. So a lot of times this piece right here that holds this onto here, a lot of times that dries out and comes off, and then this here will just be hanging loose, and that is what causes for you to be able to cycle through all of your gears without it working, or you being able to catch into drive, or reverse or move your vehicle. So make sure you check up here, and it's very simple. You might not even have to move this. I just move this so you can see very well. So that might be your issue if you're having an issue with cycling through your gears. You can buy the new grommets and things like that from the auto parts store. They sell assorted packs, or you can also buy them from online.